I just wanted to record a quick video today because I've been getting lots of emails from people who are using Whale in a really interesting way. And it's just wonderful to hear that people who need assistive technologies in college, school, or at work are now discovering Whalegram and, unbeknownst to me, up until recently, using it to help them write because they need assistive technologies of one type or another to help them write, well, to write full stop, whether it's in English or in Irish or another language. So, Mailgram has, I think, through word of mouth, found its way into this community of people who are using it now as an assistive technology. And I was delighted recently to be invited to include Gaelgram in this wonderful online resource called AT High, which helps people find the assistive technologies that will assist them the best. Gaelgram is in there, right up there with technologies from Google and Microsoft and others. So I've just been delighted to find out about this new community of users of Gaelgram. And it's wonderful to hear how helpful it is too. I got an email from a mother telling me about how she uses my software, but how her son uses my software in school to help him with his Irish work. He has it in his laptop school, and that's helping him get through secondary school because he has dyslexia. And I heard from someone recently who has dyslexia and needs to write in Irish in their workplace and is using Gaelgram as well because it really helps them at that point of need, right when they need help. Gaelgram is there. So this was all happening unbeknownst to me until recently. I've learned a lot about assistive technologies in recent weeks, and it's just wonderful to hear how helpful Gaelgram is being in all context. So I'd love to hear this week from you about how you're using Gaelgram, and maybe you're using it in a way that I wouldn't be expecting either. So if you leave a message in the comments or ping me a message on Twitter or drop me a quick email, I'd love to hear how you're using Gaelgram. And in the meantime, idir an dálinn, chuir peann le pór, le méir chlór. Slán.